welcome back to our channel. So today I'm back with another hair video. Today we'll be doing a fun challenge, Battle of the Stylers, featuring a special guest, my husband Darius. Taylor Beauty sent me some of their products, which I've already been using for a couple years now. I had never done like Battle of the Stylers before, so this is like a fun new challenge for me. So what I'm planning on doing is doing a wash and go, and one side will be using their curling jelly and the other side will be using their curling cream. Before I get any further, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So right now I'm about to wash my hair, and I'll be using the moisturizing coconut cream shampoo and the Taylor Beauty coconut cream conditioner. Alright, so I washed my hair. Hold on, let's show this shirt. Natural Girls Rock. I got this from the Caribbean Festival. I thought this shirt was appropriate for this video. Welcome our special guest. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm still not even 100% sure what like style or what am I doing.
It's a wash and go.
Okay.
You know what a wash and go is?
You washed it, so it should be ready to go, man. That's it.
No. Yeah, I wish. So. Getting some length here. Darius never done my hair before. Just look at this length here. Okay. Look at that. It's growing. So I'm gonna just let Darius do this side. I'm gonna just stand here, let him do his thing, and then when he's done, then I'm just gonna do my side how I usually do it. Now, one thing I do want you to put on here is the penetrating leave-in conditioner treatment. I really love this product because it's a great detangler, makes my hair really soft, plus it's a leave-in treatment, so this will help since I don't wash my hair all the time. This will stay in there, keep it moisturized.
So this is first.
That's first. One little tip, you're gonna need to wet my hair again because it's dry. I'm hoping this comes out good, like even on both sides, because we got somewhere to go in the morning. There's going to be mad if I take too long.
You might have to wear a hat for the rest of the week.
Come on now.
For your side.
From my side? What? What is that doing?
Making it curly. Alright. Give me the tips. Right.
The ends?
Yeah, that. Cool. I'm gonna use this.
He's gonna do the cream.
I think that's what people do. Oh, I'm gonna need a lot more than that.
This ain't your hair.
I need to get the roots.
You act like you're putting on a ponytail. What is this holding contraption? What are you doing?
That's how you make it wavy. Want to see how the curl definition will come out?
Yeah, how it comes out. What are you doing?
Fluffing it.
God, this is getting me excited.
That's not a thing? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, when it's dry. I feel like if you're a natural curly girl and you're watching this right now, watching him right now, you're cringing.
Why? Look at that.
You're doing a lot of touching, that's why.
What? Your hair about to be looking like Randy Watson.
I don't know who that is.
Sexual chocolate.
Just let your soul glow.
So glow.
What? Is that a commercial? Yes. Are you done?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So,
Look at this.
Right now, this is the cream side.
Look at that.
Without diffusing.
All of those curls definition. So glow.
Now I'm about to do this side. Now I don't know what he was doing, but I like to rake. I'll be using the curling jelly. Alright guys, so I did my side.
I didn't make any hair come out.
Because you didn't rake it in, that's why it's poofy. Christy, that's funny.
Oh.
Hi, Cruz. This side is Darius, and this is mine. Who has more definition? Comment down below. I'm about to diffuse it. Alright, so these are the results. My hair is about, I want to say like 95 to 98% dry. What do you guys think? It's a complete difference.
Mine's more poofy.
Because you didn't do any type of method.
I did. I
What?
put the product in.
Yeah, but you didn't like rake it. You didn't like, you know, you didn't make sure every strand was saturated with product. Aha. Darius' side is clearly more frizzy compared to my side. Now, what do you guys think? This is my side with the jelly, and this is Darius' side with the cream. Now, both products are really, really great. It just depends on how you apply the product and what kind of hair you have. And clearly, my hair loves when product is raked into my hair. It gets saturated and it clumps all nicely together, definition. And this side, you know, he just, what was that method?
That was the put on.
The put on. So that was the put on method that, you know, he originally created. I would rock both sides, not at the same day, because I feel like now I need to
do it all over.
I have to do this side over again. How about you guys vote? Comment down below which side is better. Do you like, okay, Cruz.
Cruz, you like it? See?
What you think, Cruz? What you like? You guys think Darius' side came out better? Do you love value and don't really care about definition? Or do you like more definition? And, you know, I actually didn't fluff this side yet. So my side could actually be as big as this side. Like, this is without fluffing. This is just drying. This is just diffusing. So both sides has the possibility of getting bigger, way bigger, if I took my pick and fluffed it. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have a significant other and you want to challenge them to do your natural hair, go ahead, because it's really funny because guys just don't know what to do. So shout out again to Taylor Beauty. Please follow them on Instagram. They have amazing products. I'm about to just, you know, wet this a little bit and add a little bit more product. So make sure you guys follow them and check their products out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.